What is resilience? Resilience is coming out stronger from all life has thrown at you. You remember the reason why you started. The failure doesn't mean you should quit. The obstacle doesn't mean you should go to bed. These are stepping stones to your dreams. Your future is bright and is very valid. This is another reason why you should take the bull by the horn. You have so much to give, you have so much to achieve. Don't dim your lights. Don't dim your lights. The time is now.